Hey everyone, want to export your bookmarks from Microsoft Edge? Exporting your bookmarks creates a backup of all your favorite websites, making it easy to restore them later or import them into another browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Brave, or Opera. In this full guide, I'll show you how to export bookmarks from Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Before exporting, make sure all the bookmarks you want to save are already available in your favorites. Next, click the Favorites icon in the toolbar, then select Manage Favorites. This page lets you organize, import, export, rename, and delete your bookmarks. Now click the three-dot menu inside the Favorites Manager and select Export Favorites. Microsoft Edge will export all of your bookmarks into a single HTML file that's compatible with most modern web browsers. Choose where you'd like to save the exported file. You can save it to your desktop, Documents folder, an external drive, or a cloud storage service. Give the file a descriptive name if needed, then click Save. After the export finishes, open File Explorer and locate the HTML file. Keeping a backup copy in a safe location ensures you can restore your bookmarks whenever needed. If you're moving to another browser, simply open its Bookmark Import tool and choose the HTML file you exported from Microsoft Edge. Most browsers support importing bookmarks from HTML files in just a few clicks. For the best experience, create bookmark backups regularly, organize your favorites into folders before exporting, enable Microsoft Edge Sync to keep your bookmarks updated across devices, and store backup files in cloud storage for extra protection. These habits make recovering your bookmarks quick and easy, and that's how to export bookmarks from Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're creating a backup, moving to another browser, or protecting your favorite websites, exporting your bookmarks is fast and simple. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.